I'm going to show you a very easy strategy that uses 3 trend indicators on tradingview.com, and it'll allow you to make great returns over time and even pass your funded account. Just like to say a big thank you for everyone clicking the subscribe button. We've now hit 1,000 subscribers and we have 50,000 channel views, so thank you very much. This strategy is going to use 3 simple indicators. Make sure you're on tradingview.com. I'm on Bitcoin on the 5-minute time frame. You may have seen this indicator before, but we're going to type in. I'd like to quickly tell you about TraderEdge. TraderEdge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes, and so much more. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I've used this to backtest all of my strategies shared on the channel. TraderEdge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all of this, TraderEdge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, which has a value of $240. If you sign up right now, they'll even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now. And back to the video. We're going to type in supertrend and we're going to click it twice. So your chart will look something like this. For the settings on one of the super trends, we're going to make sure the time frame is on chart, and we're going to put the ATR length to 10, factor 1. On the other super trend, we're going to make sure the time frame is on chart still. The ATR length is 12 and the factor is 3. For the style on both of these, I've unticked plot and I've unticked plot background. So now we're just left with 2 very simple lines. The last indicator we're going to add, type in EMA for moving average exponential. We're going to change the length from 9 to 200. Also change the color to white, thickness 2. So this is a very easy strategy and we want to keep the risk nice and low, so I'd recommend only risking 1% per trade. For a sell, all we're looking for is 2 red lines for the super trends, and we want price to be directly below the 200 EMA. The candle must close below the EMA and there must be 2 red lines present. So we can see that there's a red line has formed here. The price is still above the 200 EMA. And then on this candle that closes below the 200 EMA, the red line forms. We'd be entering on the close of this candle here, so it would be on the start of this candle. You want to put your stop loss at the recent swing high, and either do wicks or candle tops, but I recommend doing wicks. And we're targeting 1.5 times the risk. For a buy, we want the complete opposite. We want 2 green lines and price to be above the 200 moving average. So we can see the green line starts here, keeps moving, but we're still waiting for the second green line. And then on this candle here, the second green line starts to paint. It is also above the 200 EMA, so we have to wait for this candle to close to be able to see this other green line. This candle closes, enter on this candle here. Put the stop loss at the recent swing low, which is here, because you can see price came up, spiked back down again, and then came back up again. So this is classed as a recent swing low, and then we target 1.5 times the risk. So you can see we'd have just entered this trade and it actually would have just hit on Bitcoin. So I'm now going to backtest this strategy 100 times using TraderEdge's backtester. Please hit that subscribe button, I really do appreciate it. I'm trying to upload 5 to 6 times a week here on the channel. Now let's show you the results. So I've now backtested the strategy 100 times on TraderEdge, and we gained 30% on the account. Over 100 trades we had 51 wins and 49 losses. Luckily the reward is higher than the risk, but we managed to take the account from $5,000 all the way up to $6,529. We had a bit of a consolidation around the 5,400 mark, and then we had a nice healthy spike, and from then on the account grew nicely all the way up to 6,529. I definitely would check this out in different market conditions though. Always do your back testing and your forward testing before going live with any method. I am also bringing out a short course on how I personally trade. If there's any other services you'd like me to provide, or you're interested in things to see, then do let me know in the comments. But thank you very much for clicking on this video. Really do appreciate it, and thank you for clicking that subscribe button.